Curious facts about the human eyes. Welcome back to our channel. Before we go into today's video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and turned on your notifications so that you wouldn't miss out on any of our future exciting videos. Just like how there are weird facts like dolphins can sleep with one eye open and dogs cannot distinguish between red and green color, similarly, there are astonishing facts about human eyes too. Continue watching to get your mind blown. Eye color can even tell you if that person would be alcohol tolerant or even get easily sunburned. It is proven that blue-eyed people have such tolerance levels. Many may have heard of this quote: "The time in your life can go by in the blink of an eye, but the one who quoted may not have been aware of the fact that a person blinks about 15 to 20 times per minute, and 1/3 of a second is the average of a blink." Isn't it funny to listen to the quote now? Imagine one's life passing 15 to 20 times in 1 minute. Most underestimate the power of sight. Did you know 50% of our brain focuses on the functionality of seeing? Isn't obvious as what we see can be an image, a word, or anything that has to be stored and processed in our brains to create an action or a reaction accordingly. Thus, 80% of our learning comes through our eyes. Hence, no wonder our eye muscles are the most active in our whole body and contain 107 million photosensitive cells. If you ask a professional photographer what would be his or her dream come true, then they would say technology should create a digital camera with 576 megapixels. As of now, our creator has been the only one who has been able to achieve such an accomplishment. Though there are satellites that use cameras with 10,000 megapixels, still, those cameras are gigantic and too expensive. The presence of two eyes aids depth perception. Distances are calculated by comparing the different pictures from each eye. Like a camera, your eyes catch the light and send the information back to your brain, where the images develop. It's upside down and backward where the lenses in your eyes concentrate on a picture on your retina. Your brain automatically resizes and reorients the image for you. It's actually brilliant! One must wonder how God was able to create such a compact, high-pixelated camera in the form of our eye. However, we do know the science of such magic. The framework of an eye has about 2 million moving parts along with 7 million cells named cones, which helps a person see color, while more than 100 million cells are called rods, which help a person develop better eyesight in the dark. The human eye's lens is significantly quicker than a camera's lens. When your eyes detect objects at varying distances apart, they autofocus at a pace that cameras can't match. Your cone cells perceive red, green, or blue light. Your brain cells use these to create a rainbow of colors for you to see. The part of your eyeball that you see is just around 1/16 of its overall composition, because just a little piece of your eye is visible to the outside world. This is the case. The rest is inserted into the socket and does much of the eye's hard lifting. Amazing! Another unsolved miracle has been the newborn babies. You might have heard of the sleepless nights, thanks to the constant crying, but you might also be surprised to know that newborn babies who know how to cry cannot shed tears. Tears are rare during the start and end of life. For the first 6 weeks after birth, newborns are unable to make tears. You generate fewer tears as you become older. Funny, but one must not dismiss it as crocodile tears, as they just haven't developed the lacrimal gland, also known as the tear gland. Emotions are true, but the expression is a little bit off. One more thing about babies is that for the first 4 months, newborns have crazy eyesight, which improves over time. But they prefer to focus on your face, particularly your eyes, when you hold them. A baby's ability to see colors and distant things takes around 4 months. Another such surprising fact is even though our eyes can distinguish nearly 10 million types of colors, but still, we can visualize more shades of green rather than any other color. Our eyes are so unique that it stands miles apart from even our fingerprints. 256 unique characteristics for our eyes, while just 40 for our fingertips. Maybe this could be the reason for the security updates being focused on eye scanners rather than biometric fingerprint scanning. No wonder William Shakespeare described the eyes as the window to our soul, as according to scientists, the eye is the second most complex organ in our human body, right after the brain. After all the hard work, the eyes become tired, I guess, and that is why the next fact is equally fascinating and understandable. That is, even though we are awake, humans spend 10% of the wake time with our eyes closed. Few consistent facts about our eyes are they never grow. Unlike our ears and nose that grows throughout our life, have you ever heard that our eyes don't grow? That is not the case. During the first 2 years of our life, your eyes develop rapidly. By the time they reach maturity, they have grown to their maximum size. Now, we are about to say a fact that you may have not observed until now, but do try to check it out when it happens again. You would close your eyes every time you sneeze as if your eyes are going to fall out from the pressure. And yes, just like your body, your eyes can also be sunburned. However, you cannot dab suntan lotion or any anti-UV lotion on your eyes. One more thing about eyes that is for sure fascinating, even when your eyes appear to be still, they are producing small jerking motions known as microsaccades. Stationary things would vanish from your area of vision if you didn't make these small motions. Have you ever feared a part of your body? Generally, a human is concerned about every part of his or her body as every one of it is essential to living a comfortable and healthy life. However, if that concern becomes a fear, such fear of the eyes is known as omatophobia. Just like any other phobia, this is also caused due to the traumatic experience, and this experience could cause the person to refuse to visit an ophthalmologist for even a regular eye checkup, or even let alone touch their eyes to even put eye drops. The basis for the fear is extreme concern or panic in going blind, or even the slightest loss of vision. Hope you were mind blown by our curious facts on human eyes. If you were, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up in our comments section, along with your views. Also remember to subscribe, hit us with your likes, and activate your bell icon for future notifications. Go ahead and share this video with your friends and family for them to get their mind blown as well.